Use Simpson's rule with 5 ordinates to find an approximate value for the integral of 1 over 3 minus root x between the bounds of 4 and 6 dx. Show your working and give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So let's have a look at this then. 5 ordinates, so n is 4. So here then, let's put the formula in. Let's write it down. Here it is here. N equals 4. So y4 we've got here, the first and the last ordinate. Then we've got the odds. Y1 up to y3 is fine. Don't need any more. And then we don't need y4, it's just y2, isn't it? So that's what we've got there. And then h is b minus a. b minus a is 6 minus 4 over n. 5 ordinates, 4 intervals. So it's 6 minus 4 for h. 5 ordinates, so there's 4 intervals as we said. So n is 4 as we said. So we've got 2 over 4, which is a half. So the h over 3 we can put in straight away is a half over 3, which is 1/6. Okay, this is what we need to calculate then. So we've got x0, x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. H is a half. We're starting from 4, going up in halves. 5, 5.5 and 6. There's 5 ordinates, so we don't need, we start from 0, so we go to 0 to 4, don't we? So, there we go. There's the 5 ordinates, so y0 down to y4. We need to work these values out. We need to type them in the calculator for each of the input values. It's 1 over 3 minus root x, so 1 divided by bracket 3 minus the square root of x. The first value is 4. Move outside the square root, close the bracket. So let's work out that y value, which is 1. Next one, we need to put 4.5 in instead of 4 inside the square root. 0.5. 1 point, and we need the final answer to 3dp. Yeah, so we need to work, if we work to 5dp, we should be fairly safe. 13807. 1.13807. y2. So we need to change the 4.4 to 5. 4.5 to 5, that is. 30901. 309.016. 1.30901. 6. Let's put that digit in as well, just to be absolutely safe. And then the next one, 5.5. Toggle back. 0.5 equals 52720. 52720, 1 point. And then y4, put in 6. Eight 816,496, say. 816,496. We've done some of these to more than 5, these numbers here. So working to 3dp should be fine. So the answer then is equal to 1 over 6 times, and let's work out this number here then. So it's y0 plus y4, this one plus this one. 4 lots of y1 plus y3. So these two added, and then we've got just 2 times this one here, which is y2. So let's tap those in the calculator then. So it's 2 point this number. So because it's in the calculator, I'll leave it in there. Plus 1 equals, does no harm. Then it's plus 2 times this, wasn't it? And 4 times these two. So I'll put the 2 times next. Plus 2 times this number here, 1.309016 plus 2 times bracket these two added together. 4 times rather. 4 times these numbers here and here. 1.13807 plus 1.52720. 1.52720, and I've done all those to at least 5 dp every single entry. We end up with 16.09560. 16.09560. 16.09560. So divide that by 6 then. Divide by 6 equals 2.683. 2.683. And that was to 3 decimal places. We round off to 3 dp for our final answer.